Alright, here is Hangnail in an Anaconda. He's wanted.
Hangnail.
Yeah, dude.
Great handle, dude.
P-plant. He's shooting away at this guy over here. Let's just follow this guy around, let him kill things and rack up his bounty.
Yeah.
Except for he's gonna start on me here in a second. Well, I guess it's time to take him out.
Karen, did I put my glasses around here? Are you laying on my glasses? Your butt, boy. Where are they down there on the floor? Oh, well, remember that's the TV remote. Keep that out. Must
Your chatter always adds so much character to my videos. Boom! Oh, quite the dramatic explosion. Ooh, Imperial Clipper.
You're in the Anaconda belt then.
Yep. We've got happiness. Kojiko. Master scanning. Subs. P-plant. FedSec's already tearing into him. Now that they've got his attention.
Oh, at least I got to show Spoons the HOTAS setup.
The hoe. We put the hoe in HOTAS.
Put the hoe in HOTAS. He's like, so is that the Rhino? I'm like, yeah, it's the Rhino. I said, you want to sit down and play? He goes, no, I don't really want to spend any more money. It's like, alright, dude, well, you know, hey.
You don't have to spend any money, you might as well at least touch it.
Yeah. Touch it. Go ahead and touch it.
Anaconda. What a name. He's wanted. Oops, did I go right by it? Yes, I did.
And up on him. 6K out.
Alright. I'm hanging tight. It looks like he's interested in scanning me, though.
Scan detected.
Yep, he is. Switching back to shields.
Plant's targeted. Scan's good.
Alright. In we go.
And of course, I gotta start shooting at the business end.
Oh, he's looking at me now. Boom.
Target destroyed.
Wow.
Nice. He went down like a sack of crap.
Yep.
Clipper.
Alright. Let me know when you're ready.
I got the scan going. You can go ahead and start targeting him though. He doesn't have any damage on him yet.
Sure his shields are up.
Yeah, don't worry on targets that are shields down. Shields up, just go ahead and start shooting at him. Before you really start egging them, just make sure I got the scan in.
Awesome.
Target destroyed.
Lots of explosions.
One of the best things about this game.
Scan detected. Under attack. Target shields.
That is a python.
See him
Let me know when you get your...
trying to frame out of here. Don't even try scanning him.
Alright.
Done.
Under attack. Target destroyed. Scan detected.
Serious.
I want to get on.
Got an anaconda right in front of me. I'm totally gonna go stick my nose in its tailpipe. Hey, what's going on in here?
On my way.
Pea plant. It's about 3.5K out. No shields. He's taking some damage already.
Alright, hang on here. I'm coming in.
That's okay.
Right.
Nobody's engaged him right now. Well, actually, he is engaged with somebody. You know when you got your scan up. Is that
And
you?
starting.
It's not you he's shooting, is it?
Oh, shit. Scan is complete.
You're gone, buddy. Picked the wrong day to show up.
Under attack.
Don't worry. Boom.
Target destroyed.
Dude,
Jeez.
it's totally explosion day, man. I got like good 4 or 5 nice explosions in my video.
Nice. Boons is actually on, but he's not on TS.
Oh, he is. He's AFK.
No, I understand he's AFK, but he's not in channel where he belongs.
Well,
and I
maybe
know
he-
he's gonna watch this, and he's gonna be like, "Oh, I heard what you guys said about me.
Oh, it's so funny.
I just knew you guys were gonna talk about me.
meanies.
You guys really super suck. I didn't feel like getting on TS.
Oh, poor guy. He's not even here to defend himself.
Last time I was on TS, we were talking about it was better to be gay than it was to do anything with a woman.
Oh, poor
And
guy.
I'm the one that even brought it up too, and you guys think I'm a homo.
He's gonna be
I don't
pissed.
like to smoke poles.
Oh my god. Python
Where?
in front of me.
I'm coming your way. Python.
Figure Senius, whatever. That the good news or the bad news?
Good news, please.
He's right in front of me.
Bad news?
Everybody else wants a piece of him too. Shields are almost done. I haven't touched him yet.
Well, in scan range. Scan is started. Targeting P plant. It's targeted.
Target shield.
Bye bye.
Shields just dropped too. Perfect.
Yep.
timing.
Do him. Do him. Bye bye.
Oop,
Bye bye.
I got your shields. Ooh, nice. 92.5.
He had to have. He was worth some money.
Target
Clipper.
Alright.
Hands running.
Alright. On this plant.
Playing as well. Scan's good.
Barbecue.
target shields offline.
I'm gonna ram him. Ugh.
I was in the explosion.
Me
I was
too.
right against this. I was right against this hull when he blew up.
I was penetrating him. Like, ah. Mad Dogs Miller, huh? Fed drop. It's about 3K out towards the planet.
Yep, see him.
P plant. No shields.
Plant's good.
Detected.
Really, dude?
Scanning me. He's turning.
Do him.
That didn't last long. Nice explosion though.
Yep,
Those power plant blasts are the best.
they are too.
Cool. There's a piece of that clipper still floating around out here.
Couple fights going on.
I can see right
Look, they're
there.
going after an adder.
That's not any fun. There's still like lights on this piece of clipper hull. It's funny.
Sweet.
I don't think it got the memo that its power plant's been taken out.
Another clipper.
Alright, on my way.
Got FedSec all up in him though. We're talking colon deep, man. We're talking like right in the intestine.
Right in the intestine. That's gross. You scanning them?
Yep.
Alright.
Target shields offline.
Good to go.
He's gone.
Under attack.
Kaboom.
Target destroyed.
There we go. Got him. Randall. He's wanted. Your target is what he's attacking.
Oh. There he is. Let's go ahead and get him.
Might as well let him take out that Type 6. Get his bounty up higher.
Yeah, let him. How close is he to killing it?
I don't know.
See what he does.
I'll sit here and watch him until FedSec starts turning him up.
He's already scanned. What did he pop? Did he pop it?
No, Type 6 is still there. Type 6 is he's not even through his shields yet, man.
There he goes through the shields. He's shooting a Type 7.
Oh. That's what I meant, Type 7. This is fun to watch. So Anaconda's shields are down almost. They start getting into his hull, we're gonna have to start tearing him up.
Yeah. Like right now.
Target shields
Yep.
offline. Under attack.
Sorry, dude. I tried to give you a chance. We were rooting for you. Nice. Whoa! Scraped all of his wreckage.
It's
Under attack.
somebody scanning me.
Scan detected.
Coyote's scanning me. Coyote's and a python. Behind us.
Scan detected.
Came in from the rear. Dun, 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 dun.
As those pythons usually do.
Mhm.
Wanted as can be.
Alright. Hanging tight. He's firing on somebody.
Go ahead, start tearing them up.
Oh.
Target destroyed.
Kaboom. Get an Anaconda. Go back.
Yep, I got one. Right here. Scanning them.
Hand pee. What?
Good to go. P plant.
Under attack.
Oh, I rammed him. He's
Target shields
not happy.
offline.
Nice. It was lovely.
Ooh, he was worse than Bucks.
Lovely. Full powder shields.
Oh, well, yeah, I was primary on that one.
Oh, I rammed him. It took a ring off.
Nice. Clipper.
Oh, good. Y'all ain't from around
And
here,
complete.
are ya? Coming in hot.
Target shields.
Oh, he's
offline.
peppering the snot out of me, too.
Not for long.
Under attack.
Dead.
Target destroyed.
Target shields are kind of online for like a second.
Wow. Got an Anaconda. Below us.
Below us?
Below us. Alabaster shade. P-plant targeted. Standing by.
And started.
Looks like he's got wingman.
me.
You don't have him for long.
Field day.
Under attack.
Alright.
Target shields offline.
Go ahead and turn on your can opener.
Target
Boom.
destroyed.
Clippy.
Clipper.
P-plant targeted. Standing by.
Scary. Got a python too.
Good. This guy ready?
Yep. Go for him.
Under attack. Target shields offline.
Sorry, did you want those shields?
I'm sorry, did you want your ship?
Oh, he blew up before we can get his plant.
Target destroyed.
Alright, Stew Jam Finn. Python. Oh, that's what's going on. He was in on the fight too. Alright. Well, thanks for ruining our fun, buddy.
Buddy. Bloody buddy.
Oh, funny, you're scanning me and we're scanning you.
Dude, away.
Party on, Wayne.
Blow him up.
Shields offline.
Kaboom.
Zowie. Kaboom.
Target destroyed.
About your luck there, pal.
Target destroyed.
Clipper. In range. Be plant
Hands on his
targeted.
way.
Mr. Claypole.
Yeah, go ahead and they're shooting away.
Under attack. Target shields offline.
Oh. Bye-bye then.
Boom.
Target destroyed.
Love clippers. Oh. With a choice like that, how can I say no? Oh, nuts. I'm wanted.
Target shields offline.
Started shooting too fast. Oh, there's an anaconda here too.
Oh, that sucks.
I know, because I'm wanted and I'm taking this guy down.
Good. Take that anaconda out.
Under attack. Target shields offline.
Got a shield soon. Missiles flying by me. FedSec is all over me. Not leaving without this Conda kill. Got him.
Now get the heck out of there.
Did he not blow up? He didn't blow up.
Down to the last ring on your shields.
He didn't.
Capacity exceeded.
He didn't blow up.
Shields are almost gone, dude.
Target destroyed.
103,000 credits. That was worth it.
Get out.
I'm going. That was awesome. Yeah, shields are still up. That's funny.
Frameshift drive.
Just
charging.
barely. Little bit of shields.
4, 3, 2,
The guy was like, Bob!
engage.